Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Well, hope everybody's fine. Okay, I'm glad to be here with you one more day with Taller Intercultural. All right. Well, I hope you're having a great time with this nice weather we're having, even though we have a stormy afternoons. All right, but look, we have sunlight, heat, and summer's around the corner. Okay, and your holidays too. Remember, this is almost over, so let's push it a little harder, okay? And let's try to finish with this as soon as we can, so that way you can relax and enjoy all this summer, okay? And I hope you understand a little more of that English language. All right. Now, uh, Tuesday we went through this, okay? We went over this. Now we're gonna go very fast through it, okay? And this is something that we're going to be using, not just in this unit, we're going to use it every time we talk in English. You're asking for something, you say, I want some of that, or I want some of this, or I want a nice hamburger. Remember, okay? I want a nice steak. I want a nice car. Okay, we use it in every time. Or I don't want. Okay, I don't want a nice car, or I don't want uh, potatoes, for example. Okay, we don't just use it here on holidays. It's a word, okay, that we use it all the time to know if you want something or you don't want something. Okay, and which is the best way to ask? Do you want? Do you want to go to the big city? Uh, do you want to go on holidays? Do you want? Do you want some sausages? Okay. All right. So there's many ways of using it. We use it every day, every time we talk in English. All right. In this other side, all right. Remember we did this chant. We sing so good. Just kidding. Okay. We try to do our best. Okay. So let's go through it again. Okay. And it says, I want a hat, and you want some trousers, she wants some pants. They want a sheep, and we want a goat. She wants a lorry, and he wants a boat. Wow. Okay, I want you to see something here. Look, when we talk in third it, which we haven't done it yet, okay, we use an S. They want, we want, but for she and he always changes. She wants, he wants, okay? We're talking about third person, using third person. It wants, okay? Imagine the dog wants a bone, okay? We say the dog wants a dog, but it wants a dog, okay? All right? Now, down below, we went through the shops, okay? And the difference between chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, a big cake, a little cupcake. Okay, here in the toy shop, we have the beautiful princess doll. Okay, we have a cute doll right there. We have a little green monster and a big purple monster. Here in the shoe shop, we have brown shoes, white shoes, red shoes, and blue shoes. And here in the fruit shop, we got uh, green melon, yellow melon, red apple, and green apples. Okay. And what do you want? Okay. Which melon do you want? Which ice cream do you want? Which shoes do you want? Okay. I want whichever you want. Okay. All right. Now let's go to the next page over here. And we're going to phonics are very important because that's the way we know how to pronounce it and read it. Okay. For example, mom looked at, okay, we're going to do A, E, I, O, U, all the vocals, all right? Or vowels. Okay. Right here we have mom, mom, dad, dad, ven, ven, Jill, il, Jill. Tom, Tom. Mom, Dad, Ben, Jill, and Tom are on the bus. Okay? Very simple. Repeat it. Remember, Mom, Dad, Ben, Jill, Tom. Okay? Now, here, another way of asking things and answering. Okay? Do you like fishing? Well, she answers, no, I don't. You can say, yes, I do. Okay? All right? For do or don't. And, okay? If you put an N apostrophe T, you made it in negative form. Okay? Affirmative, yes, I do. All right? And the question is always, do you like fishing? Do you like cookies? Do you like school? Do you like this book? Okay? So I think it's very, very easy and simple. Now let's go to this nice comic. I think it's very funny. Somebody's lying a little bit here. Let's find out who it is. Okay. Now look. Okay. I see Marie. We travel talking. And Marie says, here we are in the mountains. Trevor says, look, I've got a postcard from Mask Man. Trevor continues saying, listen. Hello, I'm at the beach. It's beautiful. I love sleeping in the sun and drinking lemonade. Trevor says, I want to go to Star Beach and see Mask Man. And Marie tells him, okay, Trevor, we can go and find Mask Man. So Marie preparing the luggage. And my new sun hat and sunglasses. And there is Mask Man. I'm on holiday. Can you get me some lemonade, please? Metal Mouth. And suddenly everyone appears. And they got Mask Man in a lie. Mask Man, is this Star Beach? The Mask Man, all surprised, says, hello, yes, it is. And Trevor just laughed. Ha 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 ha. What a big lie. We got you there, buddy. You were in a living room with a lamp, thinking that was the sun right there. But anyway, you can have your holidays however you want. Okay, so I think it was funny. If it was a funny story to tell. Okay, we'll do this later, which is the review. Where is it at? Now I'm going to show you, okay, the worksheet that I'm going to send you. Remember, this is always in your book. Okay, place where I don't disturb. Go to the other side. There we go, right there, in the corner. Okay, look at this. We have a beautiful picture of a beach here with the family on the beach. Okay, now we have to read and answer. For example, how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we say, okay, remember this is plural. There are or there is if it's only one. Okay, so let's see what's the man drinking. Okay, we have to say he is drinking. Remember, he is drinking lemonade. Lemonade. What's the woman doing? She's under or she's in the sun or she's laid down in the mat. But I would just say she's in the sun. Okay? Or maybe también. I mean, you can say she's sleeping. Okay? There's many ways of answering. Okay? Is the dog walking? Yes, he is. It is walking. Okay, the dog is walking. Much better. Okay, where's the boy swimming? Where do you swim at? At the or in the sea. Okay. What's the girl picking up? Ooh, what is those beautiful things you find on the beach? Start with an S. What was the name? Oh yeah, shell. Very. Oh, she's picking shells. How many birds are there? I don't know. Check them out. Okay. Where's the jellyfish? The jellyfish in the something you drink. Okay, so you can say that too. All right. Now here, all right, these are misplaced. Look at the letters and write the words. For example, I got D-N-A-S. With this word, I do sand. Maybe shell. This one, oh look, it looks kind of the same. Jellyfish. Maybe it's jellyfish here. Here we have somewhere you like to go on holidays. There's sand. You have the sea. Okay, palm trees too. You can find thousands of shells there. Okay. And here, what do we have? Fear. Okay. Maybe something that grows and gets big, green, like a. And over here, somewhere where it's very high, sometimes it snows. We have a great time there too. Okay. Mo starts with an M. Okay. All right. So you can do this at home. And remember, I didn't send you Tuesday because there was almost nothing to correct. It was like a free thing to do. It was very simple, okay? And actually, yeah, you just had to put down whatever you feel like. And we know there was animals, plants, and trees. Okay, that was easy. All right, and down below you can write whatever you feel like. Okay, so this week, I mean today, I'll send you the answers of last worksheet, okay, which was the word search, all right, and write down the name, the letters starting with B, S, H, and so on and so on. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, kids, hope you have fun. Love to be here one more day with all of you, and lots of love, lots of kisses and hugs. See you next week and have a great time. Enjoy the sun. Remember, keep safe, okay? Bye bye. See you later. Mwah.